Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. I know I sound so horrible, but yeah, I am sick, not feeling well. But nevertheless, my two babies have been fast asleep for over 2 hours now. I've done every single thing that I needed to get done in the house while they were sleeping, and for a moment I'm like, I don't know what to do with myself. And I thought, SK, why don't you just get some rest? Because River was awake before 6 this morning. Rain got up after 6, and for the very first time I brought both of them with me on the school run to take ShéKayla to school. It's the first I've ever done that, because usually when I take ShéKayla to school, Sean would have Rain, and obviously I would take River or leave him sometimes, but most times he comes with me. But this morning I'm like, let's see if I'm up to the challenge. And I don't know, brought both of them downstairs, like lifted both of them downstairs, because I'm like, let's see how I can do this super mom thing. I was gonna let ShéKayla bring River down. I'm like, you know what, I got this, because as usual ShéKayla was late, and I'm like, I'm going down to the car and I'll wait for her. So I'm like, I'm gonna bring both babies with me. River can walk up the stairs, but I never let him walk down, and plus that would take way too long. So I lifted both of them up, brought them down. I do have a baby carrier, but the baby carrier, if y'all remember when I went to Miami, River was in it, and that's the only time he ever wore it when I traveled last year. So, but I think it starts from like 3 months, when the baby is really starting to proper sit up and stuff, so I don't put too much strain on them, the specific one that I have. So I didn't put Rain in that carrier, just held her. This morning I put her in her little cozy suit, and she slept anyway. She was fast asleep, slept the entire time, and yeah, brought ShéKayla to school and came back home. And yeah, I've been having a good day so far. River is sick as well. Y'all remember last time we were sick, who brought home the cold, right? I'm not gonna call any names, but y'all should know who the culprit is that brings home the cold and infect everyone in the house. But yeah, well, that's how it is. So River is not feeling well, and Rain, she's getting the cold as well. And yeah, here I am. I'm up. Still don't know what to do with myself. I thought I'd get some rest, but I've just been in here just chilling on my phone, just watching YouTube, going through social media, and just relaxing, enjoying a little time. But I miss them. I missed them. I'm gonna go check. They're actually out in the living room. Rain is asleep on the couch actually, because that's where I was laying down next to her. Actually, I have a blanket here next to me, but she's out in the living room, and River fell asleep in the playpen. Yeah, he's fell asleep in the playpen. Let's see what they're doing. So he's still asleep. Yeah. See if I can open this window, get some light in. Oh, y'all can see me better now. My hair's a mess. I actually want to wash my hair. Yeah, it's time for me to get my hair washed, but I'll probably just do it myself. Yeah, but how are you guys doing anyway? Hopefully you guys are doing much better. Imagine it's spring. I don't know, the weather sort of just keep changing. So 1 minute is like feeling nice and sunny, and then it goes back to being a bit cold. Yeah, but anywho, don't want to bore you guys with my little sickness. Hey y'all, oh my goodness, woi, see me? Oh yeah, oh my god, I feel shame walking down the road like this. But anywho, I just got ShéKayla from school, and I'm just making a quick stop at the pharmacy. I'm gonna pick up some medication for River, and then I need to go to the meat shop because I need to stock up. I need to do my weekly top up of meat. But can you believe ShéKayla was like telling me, oh, I'm gonna bake a cake for you, mommy, whatever. I was like, what, you want to bake me a cake? And she's like, oh, are they open? Oh my gosh, are they not open? Oh, she was like, for your birthday. I was like, ShéKayla, when is my birthday? My birthday is next week, yeah. Oh my gosh, my hair look awful. Don't judge me. But yeah, my birthday is next week. ShéKayla, y'all know that I don't celebrate my birthday, but ShéKayla is like, ever since she went to high school, she's never celebrated her birthday. She don't know anything about celebrating her birthday, but past couple of years has been somewhat of a I don't know, maybe like a struggle for her. As you know, she's in her teens now, and it's like her friends, they all celebrate their birthdays and events like Christmas, stuff like that, you know. So she's I want to celebrate my birthday, so I feel like that's the road where she's headed. And I think because I kind of slack a lot when it comes to our religion. Like I don't go to the services often, stuff like that, but you know, it's just very much my belief for like over 12 years now. And you know, but anyways, she said she wants to bake me a cake, and but yeah, my birthday's next week. I cannot believe it. If ShéKayla didn't remind me, like bring that up, my mind was nowhere there because it's not something that I planned for ever, you know. Hello. Oh, 1 second, let me get my stuff. Okay, so I got what I came for. While I was at the pharmacy, I asked the pharmacist, I was like, is there anything that I can get that's safe for breastfeeding, you know, because I have stuff in the cupboard, obviously. But they always say consult a doctor or whatever. The pharmacy, you know what the pharmacist just tell me? Paracetamol. Paracetamol. Why I need paracetamol for my cold and flu symptoms? What can paracetamol do for me? Over in England, they love to take paracetamol. You're gonna tell me that because I'm breastfeeding, there's absolutely nothing that I can take? Like nothing at all? How crazy. Oh my gosh. I guess I have to continue doing the home remedies, I suppose, but it's just a little bit ridiculous, just saying. But anywho, there's River in the back. ShéKayla's right there. You can see part of her face. Ooh. And Rain is, oh, you guys can see her in the mirror. She's asleep, y'all. Yes, I'm gonna go to the meat shop. It felt so good that I got so many things accomplished, like making dinner, all that stuff. Whew. Yeah, that felt good, having to get all those things done that I didn't even know what to do with myself. But yeah, how awesome. I'll see you guys when I'm washing my hair and I'm gonna do it myself. So yeah, all right. What's up, y'all? So it's actually a couple of days later. Finally going to wash my hair because I just didn't feel up to it before. Yeah, I just didn't feel too good. I do feel a lot better. I don't have a sore throat anymore, but as you can hear, I still have a bit of a cold. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair right now. Rain is still asleep. River's watching Miss Rachel. ShéKayla's there chilling. And it's actually Friday. Today is Good Friday. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. So it's a nice little chilled day. I'm just combing up my hair. It's so dirty, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, I could literally see the dirt in there. Alright guys, so I just blow dry it. As you can see, it looks super puffy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so just blow dry it. And what I'm gonna do now is I bought this flat iron from Amazon. It came yesterday. Remington Shine Therapy. It says it's infused with Moroccan argan oil, so the reviews are quite good. Let's see. It's supposed to give you a radiant shine, so we'll see. I've taken it out of the box and I'm just going to take it out of this paper. Sound like Rain is awake. So much for flat iron in my hair. This feels nice already. Let's give it a go. It can go up to 250 degrees. So, but the instructions that I think, because I have in black dye, it recommends between 150 and 170 or something like that. So I'll start there. Let's see. Oh, it says it heats up in 15 seconds, by the way. Huh? What's that? What are you doing, Rivy? What's this? It's like something. It's some sort of thing where we just ripped up. So he counts them now. Count them. Look at my hair in there though. Guys, can you see? I straightened out this part. I love this straightener. Oh yeah, Rainy Bunga is here by me. Here she is. Yeah. Yeah, Kayla brought her in, so she's here chilling now. She just came in as I was doing this one. Yeah, Boom Boom. Yeah. River. Mama, what's up? What's up? Huh? What's up? What you being all loud? I'm gonna have to feed her now. I think she's probably hungry. So I will finish the rest of this later. But as you can see, this is quite
good, and it's not even on the hottest setting, so I can probably turn it up a bit more so I can get the roots better because I have new growth already. But yeah, oh my gosh, I love it. I'll show y'all when I'm done. I'll probably finish tomorrow, I don't even know. I'll let you guys see the finishing when I'm done. Okay, all right. Yeah. Oh, it's okay, baby. Lie down, baby. Okay, baby. I'm not running you, baby. You can lie down. Lie down on mama's leg. Lie down here. What? What happened? Is Rainy Bonga in your way? Yeah. No. So guys, this is my hair. This is the finishing. Let me go by the window for more natural lighting. Ooh, okay. So let me stand in front of the window. So guys, this is my hair. This is how it looks right now. As you can see, I actually did a bit of trimming as well to my edges. So I cut off some split ends that I had. I don't know if you guys can, I've never done that before, so it's the first I've ever like clipped my own hair and all of that. But I didn't go too much because obviously I'm not a professional and I didn't want my hair looking chop up. So I literally like, you know, did the whole do my finger down and then just barely like snip it. So that's what I did. And yeah, so right now what I'm gonna do is sit down and do the Q&A video. So hopefully you guys tune in later down in the week for that. And yeah, it's actually Easter Sunday. Yeah, it's Sunday, so I'm gonna film the video, but I might have to go and put Rain to sleep because now she's like fussing. River's asleep, so it's a perfect time. And I might just sit in front of this window like old times and record the video, because that's how I always did my sit down videos, with natural light. Even though outside there's no sun there's no sun, it's cloudy, but it's daytime. The time changed last night as well, or should I say this morning. The clocks went forward, so if you didn't know, clocks went forward this morning. Anyways, I am going to just end this video here. I know it wasn't much because obviously I was not feeling well, the babies were not feeling well, you know, everyone in the house was just down, and here she's coughing actually, so it didn't do much actually. So but you know, just keeping you guys up to date. And yeah, so I'm gonna film the video, cook. Also, my boiler was getting replaced yesterday, so that took all day. They took out the boiler and they put in a new one, so the cupboard where the boiler is kept is just an absolute mess. What else? My Wi-Fi has been down for over a week, just in and out, so that's just been, I don't even know if I'm gonna get this vlog out today. I'm gonna try, but you know, with no Wi-Fi, uploading it using my data and all of that stuff is just too much and it's too slow, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll stop chatting because I need to still edit this vlog for today, and it's now, what time is it? 1:45, and y'all usually get this vlog at 5 and I haven't even edited it or recorded anything. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.